jobs.
Good jobs.
The front or rear?
The front. Oh.
I don't think anything could die. I remember what we were doing with Gerald's
at the box. I mean, it's on the box. Oh,
yeah.
That's fine.
We might beat up the box.
Make another one.
Kyle can make another box.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.
So, I want to talk about a couple of things here, and the video that wasn't shown of us actually getting the things up on the trailer and stuff. It was interesting, and it was most definitely video worthy. It's just in the moment when you're doing the stuff, and it is dangerous. You're doing dangerous stuff, not in the sense of being careless, but just that's the way it is. You know, you're pulling on things that you don't know exactly what they're gonna do. You know, is something gonna break off these old trucks? Are they gonna move? Are they not gonna move? Is a tire gonna blow? Is the steering gonna fall apart? Is the steering taken apart? Or, you know, and obviously we're not gonna get brakes in this, and is it in gear? And you're trying to think of all these things and do all these things and then keep the people safe that are helping you. And I was kind of course, orchestrating my friends and family as we're doing the stuff with their help and their suggestions and all the others, because we're all brainstorming, trying to figure out what we're going to do here. But I didn't bring out the camera on these times. Like when we were trying to pull the second one on the trailer, and the strap broke, and it went so fast I couldn't even see it. Nobody saw the strap flying through the air. All you could see was the plastic of my brother-in-law's taillight shattering, and the plastic pieces flying back towards going in the opposite direction. And you know, there was a lot. And sorry, Stady. There's a Stady. Is he gonna stay? Yeah, I don't think he's coming after us. I have to say, this truck that I rented, this Dodge that I rented, it'll start going faster than you think you're going. And the Jake brake is just, it's kind of a, funny thing. You know, you're like pretending to be a semi, but it is awesome. You know, I can just let my foot off the gas and we're slowing down. There's no back and forth on the pedals and stuff. Anyways, sidetrack, squirrel. But there was interesting times, and it was really good to see everybody back in Colorado, where I'm from, and it was fun. Me and the wife came, this lady, and it was cool. It was just, I bought these trucks just more for the sport of buying it and being able to come out and see family and all that. I think I just subconsciously wanted a vacation. That's why I bought 2 farm trucks out in the middle of nowhere. You know, I was out by my sister's house, out by my friend's house, so really fun. But yes, I should have filmed more, but I didn't, so I apologize. So I'm just gonna have to tell you that little story. All right, wake up. Back to the video. Just got gas, DEF fluid. Oh, look, another irresponsible person. High five, buddy. Another strap check. I think this place is called Thompson Springs, but I just love this old motel. Thompson Motel. Like its colors and its shapes, and it's just really perfect looking to me. I could live here. A moon man, just like Night Shift Customs. I approve. I approve. I approve of your moon man. Bye, moon man.
Something I could say hasn't been said before. I feel like a broken record staring at the floor. But I ain't got a clue just how to make it work with you. So I wonder, does this mean that we're through? What now are we through? What now are we through? What now are we through?
Well, we're back home with all our goodies. I spent yesterday getting covered in mouse shit and piss, cleaning out the trucks and cleaning up all the pieces. Got all the pieces palletized and put away. Got the trucks pretty cleaned out. Luckily, the floors turned out to be good. There's a patch over there that somebody did, but this one's pretty solid. It has this cool GMC heater. But yeah, factory no fuel tank behind the seat, which is kind of cool. Still smells bad. Smells like mouse piss, but this is the cab that I think I'm gonna keep. I'll probably sell this one. This one I'd like to build in a custom pickup, sectioned, maybe chopped, channeled, half-ton. Probably on just a simple S10 frame, simple carbureted small block, or I'd actually like to do a straight 6. Too bad I threw away the motor out at Gerald's place. That was the good one. Someone had swapped in what looked like a 292 or something like that, 250 maybe, and I threw that one away, and I think this one's probably a 216 that I kept, which has what they call babbited rods, which are the bearings cast into the connecting rod, so they're not a good one to rebuild. But yeah, made it without any real tragedy. So we'll chalk that up as a win and get back to damn work here.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job,